Parvala. Then if I like it, I'll do it. Otherwise, I always have medicine. So that gave me some strength that I knew that I have something that I love that I can fall back on, and I don't have to do something that I feel uncomfortable doing. So medicine, I think, gave me that strength.
Did you catch that? Fall back on. What does it mean? It's not about falling. It's not about your back. Fall back on means to have something safe to return to, like a plan B, something that supports you when everything else feels uncertain. Sai Pallavi studied medicine for 6 years. She became an actress, but she never abandoned her degree because medicine was her safety net, her fallback. She said, if movies don't work, I always have something to fall back on. Something I love, something that will catch me. Now you try it. Basic, I have a backup plan. Fluent, I have something to fall back on. Remember that.
This script came and I actually brushed it off for a second. I said, are you sure you want me to play this? Because I know Rajkumar sir I know him for years.
Brush it off. Sounds like cleaning something, right? It's not. Brush it off means to ignore something, to dismiss it quickly without giving it much thought. When the script for Amaran came to Sai Pallavi, she brushed it off. She said, are you sure you want me for this? She almost said no to one of her greatest roles. Basic, I ignored it. Fluent, I brushed it off.
Life can flip, so it's just that you go with the flow and don't resist change as much.
Go with the flow. This one you may have heard before, but do you really know how to use it? Go with the flow means to accept what's happening, to move with life instead of fighting it, instead of controlling everything. Sai Pallavi said this to a 22 years old who was confused about life. She said, don't resist change, just go with the flow. Life will show you the way. Basic, just accept it. Fluent, just go with the flow. 3 words, one beautiful meaning.
What happened around the film was a little overwhelming for me.
Overwhelming. This is one of those words that sounds exactly like what it means. Overwhelming means too much to handle, so strong, so intense that you don't know what to do with it. After Premam became a huge success, Sai Pallavi didn't feel excited. She felt overwhelmed. The attention, the eyes on her, the sudden fame, it was too much all at once. Basic, it was too much. Fluent, it was overwhelming. Have you ever felt overwhelmed?
Endearing, heartwarming to see that someone still has this in their heart even after 10 years of his passing.
Enduring. This one is beautiful. Enduring means something that makes you feel warm inside. Something that makes you like someone more because of how genuine they are, how sweet, how real. Sai Pallavi used this word to describe Indu Rebecca Verghese, the real woman she played in Amaran. She said, it's enduring. To see someone still loved like that, even after 10 years of loss. Basic, it's sweet. Fluent, it's enduring. One word, so much warm inside it. 5 expressions from one conversation with one remarkable person. Fall back on, brush it off, go with the flow, overwhelming and enduring. Write them down. Use one today. That's how real English become yours. I'm Annie. See you in the next one. Which expression surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments.